Homes in Rowlett experience long stretches of bright sunshine and warm temperatures throughout much of the year. While natural light is a beautiful feature, excessive heat and sun exposure can impact indoor comfort if your windows are not designed to manage it properly. Choosing the right window style plays a key role in maintaining balanced temperatures. For many homeowners in Rowlett, slider windows offer a practical and effective solution for handling heat while preserving views and ventilation. Large glass, smart performance slider windows are known for their wide glass panels and horizontal operation. Their design allows generous natural light into living spaces, making rooms feel open and inviting. Modern slider windows installed in Rowlett homes are built with advanced glass technology that helps control heat transfer. This allows homeowners to enjoy bright interiors without excessive heat buildup during peak sun hours. Managing solar heat gain. Direct sunlight can cause rooms to warm quickly, especially those facing west or south. High-performance slider windows in Rowlett are designed to limit solar heat gain. Specialized glazing helps reduce the amount of heat that passes through the glass while still allowing natural light to enter. Tight seals to prevent air leaks. Heat intrusion is not just about sunlight, it can also occur through small air gaps. When properly installed, slider windows create a snug fit along their horizontal tracks. In Rowlett homes, this tight sealing helps reduce unwanted warm air infiltration and supports consistent indoor temperatures. Easy ventilation during cooler hours. One of the key benefits of slider windows is how easily they open. In Rowlett, homeowners can take advantage of cooler morning or evening breezes by sliding the window open. This natural airflow helps refresh indoor air without relying entirely on indoor systems. Durable frames for long-term performance. Constant sun exposure can affect window materials over time. Modern slider windows are constructed with durable frame materials designed to withstand heat and UV exposure. Rowlett homeowners benefit from frames that maintain their shape and alignment even during extended periods of sunlight. Maintaining comfortable living spaces. Rooms with large windows often experience noticeable temperature fluctuations. Slider windows in Rowlett homes help maintain comfort by balancing light intake with controlled heat transfer. Living rooms, bedrooms, and kitchens remain bright yet manageable throughout the day. Supporting efficient cooling systems. When windows allow excessive heat to enter, indoor systems must work harder to compensate. Energy-efficient slider windows reduce the burden on cooling systems by limiting unnecessary heat gain. For Rowlett residents, this contributes to a more stable and comfortable indoor environment. Maximizing views without compromising comfort. Slider windows are often chosen for their expansive sightlines. In Rowlett homes, homeowners can enjoy clear backyard views or neighborhood scenery while maintaining temperature control. The wide glass panels provide visibility without sacrificing performance. Low-maintenance operation in sunny conditions. Heat and sunlight can sometimes affect window operation if tracks or components expand. Quality slider windows are engineered to glide smoothly even in warm conditions. Rowlett homeowners appreciate consistent operation year-round. A practical choice for sunny climates. Sun exposure is a reality in many Rowlett neighborhoods, but it does not have to compromise comfort. Slider windows provide an effective balance of natural light, ventilation, and heat control. With tight seals, durable frames, and modern glass technology, they help homeowners manage sun exposure while preserving bright, open interiors. For those looking to enhance comfort without sacrificing views, slider windows are a practical and reliable solution for handling heat in Rowlett homes.